Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. China needs explosive buying to meet U.S. farm import target. Reuters. http ntvforex.com News ID 885493 0426 GMT. By Anil Panchal. Early Thursday, Reuters came out with the piece suggesting further hardships for the Sino-American trade deal as the Dragon Nation will require huge buying to make it happen. Key quotes. With nearly 7 months gone, an ambitious $36.5 billion target for Chinese imports of U.S. farm goods this year may not be quite out of reach, but it's looking like a big stretch. By end May, imports were running behind 2017 levels rather than 50% ahead as needed, and while orders for China's main farm import, soybeans, have started to pick up, scorching levels of buying would be needed to hit the mark. Add in a rapid deterioration in U.S.-China relations, an upcoming U.S. election, a global pandemic, and questions over just how much soybeans China actually needs, and farmers and analysts say it may be a stretch too far. It just doesn't seem likely to me, said John Payne, senior futures AMP options broker with Daniels Trading in Chicago. If the global economy was more normal then maybe, but you have this whole COVID problem. The chances of meeting the target will be clear in the next few months. Soybeans typically account for about half of China's U.S. farm imports, and the vast bulk of buying comes in the last 3 months of the year when supplies from top grower Brazil dry up. It should also be noted that Global Times GT editor Hu Zijin took over Twitter to criticize the U.S. performance in taming the coronavirus COVID-19. Novel coronavirus will present a medal to the U.S. government, for this government standing firmly with the virus, helping it kill as many American people as possible. Most of the U.S. senior officials will be safe because the virus needs them. FX implications. This adds to the market's risk-off mood, wherein the S&P 500 futures and U.S. Treasury yields are pressured as we write. On the other hand, stocks in Asia-Pacific also trim the early day gains by the press time. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.